I have made so many mistakes in programming, not just small ones. I'm talking about the kind of mistakes that cost me months of time, confidence, and sometimes even opportunities. And the worst part, nobody told me I was making them. So today, I'm going to tell you the 6 non negligible mistakes that beginners make in programming. If you're just starting out, this video might save you months. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, vibe coding everything. One of my biggest regrets. I vibe coded my entire engineering project. I completed it and it worked. Yes, I got good feedback, but I still regret it. Why? Because I didn't fully understand what I built. I was just copying codes, tweaking syntax, searching errors, patching things together. I wasn't thinking like a developer. I was thinking like a survivor. And here's the harsh truth. If you don't understand what you are building, you are not building skill. You are building dependency. Don't just make things work. Make sure you understand why it works. Mistake number 2, chasing perfection instead of progress. This one is dangerous. I used to spend hours writing the perfect function, refactoring tiny details, renaming variables 20 times, optimizing code that didn't even need optimization. I thought that made me serious. It didn't. It made me stuck. Perfection feels productive, but progress is what actually matters. The truth is, your first version will always be bad, and that's okay because programming is not about writing perfect code. It's about writing code, breaking it, fixing it, and improving it because done is better than perfect. Mistake number 3, tutorial addiction. This one hurts. I used to jump from Python course, web development playlist, machine learning tutorial, another framework, another crash course. It felt like I was learning, but I wasn't building anything. Tutorials make you feel smart, but building things by yourself is what actually makes you smart. If you only watch and never create, you become a consumer, not a creator. Here's a test. Can you build something without watching tutorial? If not, you're stuck in a tutorial hell. Learn, build, struggle, fix, and repeat. That right there is the real learning cycle. Mistake number 4, ignoring fundamentals. I wanted to build AI models. I wanted to use frameworks. I wanted to build cool apps. But I didn't want to deeply understand data structures, algorithms, memory, how API work, how the web works. Big mistake. If your basics are weak, you will always feel insecure in interviews, scaling projects, debugging. Remember, strong fundamentals will always boost your confidence by up to 80%. Don't rush them. Mistake number 5, comparing myself to other developers. This one destroyed my motivation. I'd go on a LinkedIn and see, got into Google in second year, built 10 AI apps at 19, making 200k as a fresher, and I think I'm behind. But here's the truth. You are comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. You don't see their struggles, their failed attempts, their sleepless nights, their years of practice. Comparison kills focus, and focus is everything in programming. Compete with your yesterday, not someone else's highlighter reel. Mistake number 6, not failing enough publicly. I was too scared to post projects, share code, apply for internships, attend hackathons. Because what if I fail? But here's what I learned. Failure in private gives you slow growth, but failure in public gives you rapid growth. When you ship your ideas publicly, you get feedback, you get criticism, you get improvement. Rejection emails, they build resilience. Bugs, they build debugging skills. Embarrassment, it builds confidence. The only real failure is not trying. The real biggest mistake. The biggest mistake beginners make, thinking that programming is about learning syntax, languages, frameworks, and getting certificates. But it's not. Programming is having the ability to solve a problem. So, what's the whole point of getting web development certificates when you can't even build a to do list without watching a tutorial or asking AI for help? If you can think clearly, break down problems, and persist when things get messy, you will win, even if your code is ugly at first. If you are a beginner watching this, please don't repeat my mistakes. Do not vibe code your growth. Do not chase perfection. Do not live in tutorials. Do not ignore fundamentals. Do not compare your journey. And don't hide from failure. And remember, every great developer you admire today once started at a blank screen and thought, I have no idea what I'm doing. The difference here, they didn't give up, and neither should you. Thanks for watching. This is Vacuum Bytes.